All right, so we're using the Raptor liner as the final coat on this this truck right here. Now the Raptor liner cans, they screw right onto the gun that is supplied with most of the kits. And then I usually run it right around 40 PSI. That's where I get the best coverage and the best looking coat on there. And we're gonna go ahead and test this out right here. I'll show you guys.
So as Dakota sprays the Raptor liner, not only if you're going in a horizontal pattern, you do want to kind of change it up a little bit. You could get what's called tiger stripes. Basically what that is once it dries, you can kind of see a sheen of lines through the paint. And you obviously don't want that, so you kind of want to go in a cross-hatch pattern for your final pass. Let me give you a preview of what these doors look like. He just finished all 4 of them. So the doors aren't yet fully dry. They are going to look a little bit better when they're fully cured. The shine on them is going to even out. We got the truck all finished in Raptor liner. We're going to start putting it back together now. Got the rear curtain installed. Shouldn't have to remove it again. We're going to put on the back aluminum piece as well as the filler panel right at the bottom. Everything's lining up and looking really good. We love the way this Raptor liner looks on these cars. It definitely gives it that industrial, I don't know,
rugged look.
Yeah.
It's actually really tough too. Like, I mean, you can get scratches all over this and it doesn't really show on the Raptor liner. It's a really hard coating.
Yeah, you can park as close as you want to people at Walmart.
Yep.
And not have to worry about anything.
No.
Roof is set on top. Before we put the roof on, we put expandable foam here to seal the front. And then this is a D-shaped rubber, kind of a foam rubber gasket that'll seal the back. One thing we do with these West Kentucky Surplus doors is the hardware they provide, you're guaranteed they're going to be rusted out in about a week or two. So we swap the actual hardware out, the nuts and bolts, with stainless steel hardware. These will last, you know, quite a bit longer than any zinc plated bolts and nuts. All right, the doors are on. Next up, we're gonna put the front lights on as well as the side markers and try to get to the back lights. All right, we got the front turn signals and side markers in. We're gonna order the headlights. We thought we had them, and it looks like we gotta make an order. And we got the tail lights in and back side markers as well. All right, that's going to do it on this part of the Humvee build. We did get a lot done in a short amount of time, and we're very happy with everything we got done. Dakota is going to be leaving for about a week, so we kind of had to get our ass in gear, and I just passed like 5 cars. Anyways, we had to kind of get a lot done really quickly. Dakota's leaving to Poland for about a week. So on his channel, you're probably going to see him driving around in tanks. He's got a couple friends over there that own a farm that carries multiple Polish and Russian vehicles.
Yep.
And he's going to explain more on his channel about that. But yeah, next couple videos on this one, you're probably going to see us install the emergency lights, which is going to be like red and blue flasher lights. The
glass, the AC unit.
Yep, glass AC unit.
We're gonna be redoing a bunch of seats. Kevin's gonna be cutting out some transmission tunnel insulation and floor mats. Show you guys how to do that. And then we're gonna be working on all the maintenance. So doing all the geared hubs, oil change, filters, transmission flush, stuff like that.
Yeah, so still a lot to do on this truck.
All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
We got it in epoxy. I really didn't film much because I really had to just focus on getting everything coated, and it was definitely a pain.